In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print file from Google Drive. By the end, you'll be able to quickly open a file in Drive and send it to your printer with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so you can access your files. At the top right of the page, look for the small grid of 9 dots. This is the Google Apps menu. Click it to open the panel of Google Services, and then choose Drive. That takes you straight into your Google Drive, where all your folders and files live. Once Drive is open, locate the file you want to print. This could be a Google Doc, a sheet, a slide deck, a PDF, or even an image. Double-click the file to open it. Depending on the file type, it will either open in a full editor, like Google Docs, or in a preview window. Give it a moment to load fully so the print options will be available. We're going to use a quick keyboard shortcut to bring up the print dialog. This is faster and more reliable than hunting through menus, and it works in most browsers. Make sure the file window is active, meaning you've clicked inside it so the computer knows which tab you want to print. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and P together. That's Ctrl+P. If you're on a Mac, use Command+P. After a brief moment, you should see the print preview appear. This is where you'll confirm everything looks right before sending the job to your printer. Take a second to review the settings. Choose the correct printer from the destination list. Check the pages you want to print, whether that's all pages or a specific range. Adjust layout options like portrait or landscape, color or black and white, and the number of copies. If your document has margins or scaling options, make sure the preview looks the way you expect. If anything seems off, you can cancel, make quick edits in your document, and then use the shortcut again. When everything looks good, click the Print button. Your file will be sent to the selected printer. If it doesn't appear at your printer, verify that the printer is powered on, connected to the same network, and set as available on your computer. That's it. You've opened Google Drive, selected your file, used the keyboard shortcut, and clicked Print to finish the job. Thanks for watching, and follow these steps anytime you need a fast, reliable way to print from Google Drive.